Okay, so today I am excited to bring you along for a new collaboration that Vicky's Country Home, Our Wandering Footprints, and I can't remember who else. It's called Wonton Wednesday. And so the requirement is you either need to use wonton wraps or the egg roll wraps. Next week's will be an egg roll wrap, but this week, this came on as perfect timing. We're going to be using wonton wraps. I need to use these up, and I have leftovers that need to be used up, and so voila, this is going to be my dish. Now, we are making black bean taco cups. Now, sometimes I like to use taco meat and then mix my beans in with it, but today I am just doing black beans. You can do this however you want. You can put steak in it, you can put chicken in it. I'll make it purposefully, and then I'll also, like today, when I have leftover taco stuff, this is how I use it up so that it doesn't go to waste. Super easy. So all I'm doing now, I have my muffin tin. You take the wonton wraps, and I just do two like so. Make a little cup. And last one. And then I personally like to dip mine in sour cream at the end. But that's just me. Sorry, I have something else cooking on the stove. Okay, so I have my, let's see if you can see that. That's fajita stuff. I have black bean taco mix, because I put taco stuff in it for veggie burritos. So just put your black bean filling in there. And if you do this fresh, then obviously your beans are going to be hot. But this came from the fridge because it is leftovers. This is a great way to stretch a meal too, because the beans was 1 quart of my black beans that I made, that I made into refried beans, and now today that same quart is going to be this dish. Now, you can leave it like it is, or you can add your cheese of choice. My family likes some cheese sprinkled on top.
The white cheese?
Yes. Oh, I think we used it all. And that is literally all there is to this dish. So, if you were making it fresh, then you would want to add taco seasoning to your beans or your meat, whichever you're using, or both, so that it, of course, tastes like tacos. This already has it in there, and then you can do your cheese of choice, and then this is just going to go into a 350-degree oven until the cheese is melted and these are all crisped up. So I will bring you back shortly. Okay, so these went for about 10 minutes, which is all the time you need. And here are the beautiful black bean taco cups. And you can dip them in anything that your little heart desires. I personally like sour cream, but you can do queso. You can do whatever you like. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick and easy dinner. And it's also a leftover makeover. And I hope to see you guys next time for another delicious recipe. Thanks for watching.